You're supposed to find the minimum spanning tree using the table here, but you are supposed to use the Prim's algorithm. Now, to start with Prim's algorithm, you can start with any vertex you like. You have from vertex A up to G. Any of the vertex you like, you can just cross it out. So for example, I like to start with the vertex A. So any vertex that you like, you delete the whole row. And for the same column, highlight that with the arrow. And for the balance number that is not crossed out, choose the smallest number. And between 10, 12 and 8, I'll choose 8. So now with this 8 is on row F, I have to delete the whole row F. And with that, I highlight column F with the arrow. So with this, I'm going to look at the highlighted column with the arrow, the balance number, which is 10, 12, 7 and 14. Which one will be the smallest? And in this case, it's 7. Again, 7 is under row E. So with that, I delete row E. And again, with the same method, I highlight column E. And with this, I look at the balance number between 10, 9, 18, 15, 13, and 14. The smallest number between all the numbers mentioned here will be 9. And again, I delete this particular row, right? So in this case, I have a B column. So again, based on the balance number, 11, 18, 15, 13, and 14. The smallest number here will be 11. And again, I delete the row C. Right, then with this, I highlight column C. I have this number 17, 15, 13, and 14. So in this case, the smallest number here will be 13. So then I highlight column G. Now it's between 12, 15, 17. So the smallest number here will be 12. And then I highlight D. Okay, so you delete basically up till all the row has been deleted. And with this case, this is the smallest number. If I want to represent this minimum spanning tree, I can use the number that has been circled. For example, to represent the answers here in the form of spanning tree, A is connected to F. I have A is connected to F with 8 centimeter. And so if I've done, I just put a tick here. Right, and A, let me see if A is connected to anything else. No. F, let's look at F. F isn't connected to nothing else. A is connected to F. And then I have F is connected to E. F is connected to E by 7. So this one I've done. Right, then I proceed with E. E is connected to B. E is connected to B by 9. And E is connected to G by 13. So this one I've done. Then I proceed on with G. G is connected to D by 12. So this one I've done. And as for B is connected to C by 11. Right, so if you look at the diagram, all the circle number I've already drawn in this minimum spanning tree. And what will be the minimum time? Sorry, not time, in this case is centimeter. Minimum distance, you can total all the value, which is 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 13 plus 11 plus 12. Right, 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 13 plus 11 and 12. The total here will be 20, 20, 30, 40, 45, 45, 50, 60. So the minimum spanning tree, the total distance here will be 60 centimeter.